In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter in Revit. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of the most common ones. The first one are going to be your selection filters. So you can do this by basically clicking and dragging like in selection area over everything you're working with, just like that. Then you want to go to the modify tab up top and you want to click on filter over here. This is going to allow you to basically quickly filter through things. You can basically see the numbers over here. You can click on it and then apply these filters, and you'll be able to basically filter that way, okay, by clicking the apply button and then okay to close this window. That's the first way to do it. Then the second one is going to be to use view filters. So these are going to be rule-based overrides. What we're going to do here is we're going to open the filter settings. You have to go to the view tab up top, and then from here you can see filters under the graphics menu. So click on filters. And there we go. From here, you can then go ahead and select everything, or here you have categories, and then you have filter rules as well. So we can just go ahead and select different things over here, and then you can filter your rules. Here you can do and or, and you can add rules, you can add sets, you could go and select different things over here. And when you've successfully set up your filters, for me, I'm just going to, of course, leave it like it is right now, and then you can click on the apply button and then the OK button, and that way you can also filter in Revit. So these are the two ways to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.